Udemy is one of the biggest and most popular educational platforms. It has over 185,000 courses available, and the good news is that some of them are 100% free. Yes, no additional fee or subscription. You just create an account and access all that valuable information. There are many free courses, and if you want to know which are the best and what is offered, you've come to the right place.
The College Disruptor.
Hi, I'm Santiago from Great Hacker, the non-traditional student's most trusted resource, and today we'll be sharing our list of the best free courses you can find on Udemy. And yes, you can find all the important links in the description below. But first, let's clarify some things about how these courses work. Unlike the paid Udemy programs, the free courses don't have a certificate of completion, and they are usually very short, as most last up to 2 hours. They are introductory lessons that give you the basic knowledge to continue expanding in a premium course, but they are still high quality. Udemy's courses are great if you want to learn a specific skill quickly. However, if you're looking for more robust classes that last longer and can help you gain more professional skills, we recommend you check out other of the online learning platforms we recommend in our video. With that out of the way, we can begin with our list. But before that, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First, we have Make Your Writing Stand Out in 8 Easy Steps. This brief course on writing will tighten your prose and teach you how to increase the effect of each sentence, build credibility, and persuade your reader. Even though it only has 1 hour of content, the lessons are broken into 4 sections, each with 2 different strategies. These steps will guide you to improve clarity, flow, structure, presentation, and results in your writing. Once you're done with each lecture, you'll have an exercise to apply what you've learned, but you'll have to evaluate yourself since you can't communicate with the instructor. Next, we have PowerPoint for Beginners. It's a perfect choice if you struggle when creating a presentation and need to figure out how to make it better and more stylish. It's a basic introduction to everything you need to know about PowerPoint, where you'll get familiarized with how it works. You'll learn to explore the interface, add slides, and edit shapes, texts, and pictures. Plus, you'll see how to take your presentation to the next level using transitions and animations. A great choice if you barely know how to use PowerPoint, but definitely skip it if you already understand the basics. Now, if you want to take your first steps into the programming world, we highly recommend the HTML and CSS Fundamentals course. It's one of Udemy's longest and most complete free options, and it's designed for beginners who want to learn how to create a website from scratch. The best thing is that you learn this through practice, as each section of the course will guide you on how to build a website step by step. By the time you finish, you'll have a solid base of HTML and CSS, which will be more than enough to start your site and control how it looks and works. If you understand how it works and want to continue expanding your skills, you'll find plenty of other courses in Udemy to learn more about programming, how to speak to anyone and be fearless. This is the course for you if you feel uncomfortable speaking in front of a big audience. Here, you'll master your skills and learn how to tame your fear and take control of the room. You'll see the importance of controlling your tone, choosing the right words, and which other essential tips you can start incorporating into your speech. Plus, there is a quick lesson about body language and how to implement it to take your communication skills to the pro level. Coming up, a course that comes in handy for anyone who wants to be more productive, and it has to do with time management. A super helpful course, especially if productivity is not your thing and you constantly need help setting tasks. It focuses on productivity tips, as it explains how you can do 3 hours of work in 1 hour, points which are the traps most people fall into, and share helpful techniques to better manage your time, like the 80-20 rule. We have a separate video where we discuss strategies like this to be more productive. But if you want to take the extra steps, you can start by incorporating one of the best time management methods, the Pomodoro technique. Finally, we have best practices for working remotely. If you've ever worked from home, and after COVID, who hasn't, you know that it comes with some issues, because working in the same space where you rest, eat, and sleep is not as good as it sounds. But according to this course, there are many things you can do to stay productive while working from your place. This 30-minute class will be most helpful if you are new to working remotely or feel less effective than when you work in an office. It's a quick and easy guide to the best practices every remote worker should know. These are only some of the best courses you can find for free on Udemy, but there are many more. We recommend going to the recommended section, link in the description, and doing as much research as you need. And remember that if you want a certificate or a complete course, you can invest in any of their paid programs. Like and subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments if there is any specific course or educational platform you want us to review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. We hope you've found a free course for you, but if you want to continue expanding your skills, you can see if Coursera is for you by checking our review, and if you are looking for something more business oriented, then you have to learn what Scrum is all about.